better. Freedom, try it on, try it on. Freedom looks good on you. Freedom looks good on you. Freedom looks good on you. Try it on, try it on. You never look better. 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 Try it on, try it on, try it on. So you never look better. You never look better. No, you never look better. You never look better. No, you never look better. You never look better. Try it on, try it on, try it on, try it lift up the sound of freedom, sound of joy, sound of victory, sound of triumph. Lift up the sound, a sound of freedom, a sound of joy, a sound of triumph. It's the sound of victory. It's the sound of freedom. A sound of joy. A sound of triumph. A sound of victory. A sound of victory. A sound of freedom. A sound of joy. A sound of triumph. Sound of victory.
เล่นเสียงนะ
Hands lifted high, one more time. Say, gone, gone are the chains that were holding me, and gone is the person I used to be. I'm free from the fear by your perfect love. This is my exodus. This is my exodus.
This is the story of a runaway with no way home and no way out. I threw the best of me away. I had my chance, it's too late now. Too far gone and too ashamed to think that you'd still know my name. But love refused to let my story end that way. You didn't wait for me to find my way to you. I couldn't cross that distance, even if I wanted to. You came running after me when anybody else would have turned and left me at my worst. Love moved first. What kind of grace, relentless grace, would chase this rebel down? Crawl into this prisoner's cage, take my hand and pull me out. You knew I couldn't make the change, so you became the change in me. And now I live to tell the story of the God who rescues. You didn't wait for me to find my way to you. I couldn't cross that distance, even if I wanted to. You came running after me when anybody else would have turned and left me at my worst. Love moved from I'm amazed by where I stand. Your cross is the proof that love made the first move. You didn't wait for me to find my way to you. I couldn't cross that distance, even if I wanted to. You came running after me when anybody else would have turned and left me at my worst. Love moved first. The world's getting darker by the day. I'm on my knees but don't know what to pray. The broken things that broken people do. But knowing just how far you came for me gives me hope for every soul I meet. There's no one so far gone that you can't reach. So reach through me, let them see, Lord, let them see. Your love is the bridge you built with a cross, and your truth is the light that searches for the lost. And your grace won't stop reaching, your mercy won't let go, 'cause your love is the bridge, and your truth leads us home. Oh, you lead us home. Oh, you never told the broken they were whole. You spoke the truth that healed their broken souls. You'd never leave us here to fight alone. With love we earn the right to speak your truth. It's not just what we say, it's what we do. I wanna be a bridge that leads to you. So reach through me, let them see, Lord, let them see. Your love is the bridge you built with a cross, and your truth is the light that searches for the lost. And your grace won't stop reaching, your mercy won't let go, 'cause your love is the bridge, and your truth leads us home. Oh, you lead us home. No rescue so relentless, no greater love than this. Where sin leaves a canyon, your love builds a bridge. No rescue so relentless, no greater love than this. Where sin leaves a canyon, your love builds a bridge. No rescue so relentless, no greater love than this. Where sin leaves a canyon, your love builds a bridge. Your love builds a bridge. Your love is the bridge you built with a cross, and your truth is the light that searches for the lost. And your grace won't stop reaching, your mercy won't let go, 'cause your love is the bridge. Your love is the bridge. I still remember when I heard you call me by name. I'd follow you anywhere, knew I could trust you with anything. And now sorrow beats down on me, waiting for you to come through. I'm all alone with my questions. I'm dry and cracked open. I thirst for you. And as I fall apart, come flood this desert heart. Fall like the rain, living water. And I know your way is best. Lord, help me find my rest. And I'll be the clay in the hands of the potter. My world is spinning, my life seems so out of control. Nail-scarred hands tell the story of love that will never let go of me. Through the sunshine or rain, I know where my hope is found. What you started in me, I know you will complete from the inside out. And as I fall apart, come flood this desert heart. Fall like the rain, living water. And I know your way is best. Lord, help me find my rest. And I'll be the clay in the hands of the potter. My world is breaking me. Your love is shaping me. And now the enemy is afraid of what you're making me. When my world is breaking me, your love is shaping me. And now the enemy is afraid of what you're making me. My world is breaking me. Your love is shaping me. And now the enemy is afraid of what you're making me. And as I fall apart, come flood this desert heart. Fall like the rain, living water. And I know your way is best. Lord, help me find my rest. And I'll be the clay in the hands of the potter. And I'll be the clay in the hands of the potter. Do you feel him in your heartbeat, even when you're running? You try to drown him out with your life, but you still hear him calling.
Solid kia.
With a voice you never heard, but it sounds like home. Home. You try to shut it out, but you feel it in your bones. And it won't leave you alone. His love is inescapable. His presence is unshakable. Right now you don't believe it's true. A better day is coming. And you don't need another place to hide. He'll find you in your darkest night. His love is holding on to you, even when you're running. Even when you're running. As a kid you said your prayers, now they're bouncing off the ceiling. that took your world away when you trusted him for healing. He's no stranger to your heartbreak. He knows how it feels to lose. Oh, from the garden to the cross, he's been chasing after you. He's chasing after you. His love is inescapable. His presence is unshakable. Right now you don't believe it's true. A better day is coming, and you don't need another place to hide. He'll find you in your darkest night. His love is holding on to you, even when you're running. Even when you're running. Your fear isn't dark enough. Your pit isn't deep enough. Your lie isn't loud enough to keep him away from you. The Father made the way for you. The Son killed the grave for you. Let His Spirit come alive in you. Are you tired of the running? The Father made the way for you. The Son killed the grave for you. Let His Spirit come alive in you. Are you tired of the running? His love is inescapable. His presence is unshakable. Right now you don't believe it's true. A better day is coming, and you don't need another place to hide. He'll find you in your darkest night. His love is holding on to you, even when you're running. Even when you're running. It's time to stop running now. You don't have to have it figured out. All you need to do is turn around, and the Father will come running.
Bring your tithe and bring your shame. Bring your guilt and bring your pain. Don't you know that's not your name? You will always be much more to me. And every day I wrestle with the voices that keep telling me I'm not right, but that's all